Yeah, good afternoon. It's Jim from jaggerfx.com. It is Thursday, 21st of May 2020. It's currently 4:49 p.m. local here in Vietnam. This is a look at my 12-hour high probability charts. The new candle for the 12-hour was at 4 p.m., which is 49 minutes ago. There was a fair bit happening, hence the slight delay. I had to update all the charts and the spreadsheets before commencing the video. So let's go to the charts and have a look. Right, this is my watch list on the right. Everything highlighted in blue is ones I've currently got trades on. There's no highlight, no trades, and highlighted in orange I'm going to discuss in this video. So let's start with the Oz Swiss. Now, I've already updated some of these charts, so that's why there's not much writing. There was a buy on the Oz Swiss here. Buys are designated by the blue lines. Blue trend lines like that. It's just something that interests me. In this case, it's a resistance level. So I was in a buy. This thing's hit this resistance level. The bottom indicator, MACD Platinum's just about at the zero level. Looks like it's losing strength. All I've done is close that buy out. Don't want to risk it. So that gave me a huge profit of $2.35. You'll see a real theme in this video with regards to trading, I'll tell you. So that buy's been closed, so I can delete those lines. I'll do it after the video. Profit's been added to the total to date. Now, all my trades are recorded on a shared spreadsheet. There's a link to that spreadsheet in the description of the video. Everyone's more than welcome to check that out. So it keeps all my 12-hour trades, which I think have been going since the 3rd of February, up to date on that spreadsheet. So that's the Oz Swiss, no longer a trade on there. So that will be, did I say the Oz Swiss? Might have said the Oz CAD before. Oz Swiss, no trade. All right, Aussie New Zealand, Aussie NZ, in a sell. They're designated by the red lines. This was a high risk trade initially. You can pause the video, read my notes. So S1 is sequence one. It's the only sequence on here at the moment. Sequence of trades that, if it's on there, that's a candle it starts on, so it's pretty obvious. You'll see shortly what I mean. Red trend lines like this signify some sort of bearish divergence. In this case, it was regular bearish divergence, as per my notes. I'm a big user of divergence. Even wrote a book on the subject. So trends going up. MACD Platinum, which is just an oscillator, zero lag MACD, is going down. MACD, it was in a sell. MACD Platinum's gone through the zero level. So what I've done is I've closed half and put a stop in place as per my notes, 107730. There's a massive profit there of $2.49 on that first part being added to the total. So I've just closed half and put a stop in position where I can't lose overall on that sell trade. Aussie USD. I was in a buy trade back here. This was actually a sequence one trade. I took a sell here based on this double top. It was one that broke my rules because the MACD Platinum was below the zero level. And I took a hedge buy on that sell. Again, price is having trouble at this level here. My overall break-even is marked by these yellow dashed lines. So the MACD Platinum's through the zero level. This thing's starting to roll over at this resistance level. So I've just closed all three trades. So all trades have been closed on Aussie. Profit of $12.73. So that's just got to be the line, just got to be removed. I'll do that after the video. If you see a line like this, a green one, generally means a big number. In this case, it's a 60-cent level, which is something you've got to watch out in the Aussie. So yeah, they've all been closed, those trades, so nothing open in the Aussie. Swiss Japanese yen. This is one I spoke about in my video yesterday. So I'll be looking at closing them. I have closed all sequence one trades. Now sequence one's been moved to here. Sequence one was actually here before. I've left the lines on the chart. Got to this resistance level again. I had that marked yesterday in the video, and I've closed all the sequence one trades, just leaving this new sequence one of a sell here and a hedge buy. So I'll delete all these lines. I just want to leave the lines on the chart to show you. So that's all I've got left now. So I closed all those trades and it was a profit of $45.37, and that's been added to the total there. So I'll tidy that up once I get off this video. Euro Swiss. Now, this is a bit of a problem pair, this one. I've actually taken a new sell trade this afternoon. Now, I took this buy trade here. There's this huge, big, it was probably not the smartest. I looked at this baseline here. There was some intervention by the Swiss Central Bank. Thought it'd push through. Didn't last. Come straight back down. So basically, I've hedged in a loss here at the moment. So I've got a buy, sequence 1, and a sell, sequence 2. So there's not much in them. There's only about 8 or 9 pips between them. So the sell's not a bad sell, even though it's pretty ugly pair. It's really an even. I think I made a note of that. Tough pair to trade at the moment. So yeah, I've taken a sell here. I'm not convinced. The MACD Platinum's a long way above the 0 level. Now remember, with the MACD Platinum, I'm looking to sell when it's above the 0 level and buy when it's below the 0 level. So when I took this buy here, it was already basically through the 0 level. As soon as it went up one candle, I should have looked at putting a stop in place to protect that buy, because I was already in the danger zone. Now I've got a bit of an issue what to do. This has just been a dog of a pair to trade. Look at this crap in here. This is a 12-hour chart, so each two of them is 1 day. And then bang, off she goes. And well, we'll see how we go. We'll work something out, no doubt. Right, New Zealand CAD. What do I do here? Another one. In a buy. Got to this resistance level. Bounced off it at a bearish count. MACD Platinum through the 0 level. Closed half. Put a stop in place. There's a real reoccurring theme here. $3.45 has been added to the total. Protecting my position. Can't lose now if I get stopped out. I'll lose on the second half, but I won't lose overall. New Zealand Swiss. Similar scenario. Now, this is a messy one. I'm in a sequence 1, which is all these notes over here from over here. It's been a long process on this pair. Coronavirus, that big move down, sorted me out. Now we're stuck in arranging, and I'm just picking off profits where I can with sequence 2, and hopefully eventually it'll break up through these yellow lines and take out all these trades. I've had yellow lines up here and I've had yellow lines down here, and as you see, this is 12-hour charts. Well, so anyway, sequence 2 is in here. You can see sequence 2 line. There's a buy. It's hard to tell, but it's in here. Again, going up. MACD Platinum's through the zero level. Closed half. Put a stop in place. Can't lose on sequence 2. Read my notes. Here's the notes for sequence 2 up there. There's a profit there of $5.67. That's been added to the total, and it readjusted my overall break even up a little bit. And so we're slowly grinding away on this New Zealand Swiss. All right. What's next one? New Zealand USD. This was done this morning. I didn't do a video this morning because there's only the Swiss yen and the New Zealand. And they were just both trade management things. So this morning, again, look at this, stuck in this range. These blue lines just show a range. Prices, I'm in a buy. Price has gone up. Hit this thing, banged its head on it just about. MACD Platinum through the 0 level. Guess what I did? Closed half, put a stop in place, and took the profit, and the profit was $14.79, and that's been added to the total there. So now just waiting on a sell setup. Right, moving right along. USD Swiss franc. It's in a sell here, another one that's range bound. In a sell, it's gone against me badly. It wasn't a great trade in the first place. The MACD Platinum was at the 0 level already, which I don't like. Ideally, I want the 0 level miles away, like these ones here. So it's come down, eventually got in my favour, a couple of nice bearish candles there, and today we've had that sort of bullish one. I'm through the 0 level already. I'm technically looking for buys, so I've closed half, put a stop in place. Profit of $4.53. This is like just doing my head in all these small little, at least it's little base hits as you call it in baseball world. So yeah, so stop in place, close half. And just to make sure I'm consistent, Singapore dollar, USD Singapore dollar in a sell here. again, not going anywhere fast. I'll probably draw a line through here. Like you could probably draw, I'll do it now. We've got it on the video. So, something like that. A dead set support level there. So, price keeps on coming to it. It's come down to it again. MACD Platinum's on the zero level or through the zero level, close to it. Guess what? Close half, put a stop in place, $3.08. Can't lose overall on this trade. It'd be nice to see some of these 0.01 trades continue on and take, but the way things have been going at the moment, I just about guarantee it, all of them will be taken out at the stops. So that's it, guys, for the 12-hour charts. That brings us all up to date with what happened this morning and today. As I said, all recorded on the shared spreadsheet, and the link to that's in that description of the video. If you do like the videos, please hit the subscribe button. If nothing else, hit the like button. And if you do want to see a bit more like how I'm actually trading this, just let me know, and I'm quite happy to do a video just to show you how I'm actually looking at it all. I know I sort of rushed through it a bit here. If you go to my YouTube channel and put something like, I think high probability examples or something like that, you'll find a couple of longer videos on the high probability method, which is what I'm using here. Okay, thanks for watching. And as normal, everyone's more than welcome to join my private Facebook group, 6,000 members and counting. Thanks, guys. Cheers.